you are just too happy. She's awful hard to film because she's wanting me to pick her up all the time. Hello, hello, hi baby. Good girl. Oh, say hello. Come here. No. That's a good girl. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. That a girl. That's a girl. That's a girl. Yeah. Here she is. We have another puppy in there once out too. There's a pretty girl. Are you talking? Huh? Who's in there? Look at the camera. Gretchen. What's the matter? What's the matter? Oh, it's okay. Come here. Come here. What's he doing? What's he doing? What's he doing? Hi, big girl. Okay. Come here. Come here. Come on. Hey. Hey, you. There's Gretchen with my best friend Mickey, and she is letting her hold her. She's a good girl. She likes that.
Good girl. Good girl. Good kisses. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? What are you doing?
See, she's going to Chicago. I think it's Illinois, Chicago. Yeah.
He's so happy. He's so happy. He's so happy. Yeah, they're so happy. They're so happy. Well, who's your tail? Who's your tail? What's the matter? What's the matter? Come on, what's the matter? Come on. Get up there. Oh, you don't want to fall off.